the best crypto apps for beginners in Africa. So if you have been in crypto or you're just starting crypto, here are the top 5, my top 5 best crypto applications that every beginner or everyone should be using. Now, these applications are not restricted to Africans alone, so every other persons around the world or around the globe could also use them. Now, the first application on my list is the CoinGecko. Now, most of these applications falls within 2 categories. So CoinGecko, coinmarketcap, they work similarly. Now, CoinGecko is a platform where you can always make research about your cryptocurrency. Any crypto, you can get their social handles, you can get to know about their price, their tags, their market cap, their circulating supply. It basically contains, it's just like a web for any cryptocurrency that exists. So that is where you can use to research about your cryptocurrency. One good thing about them is that you can also use them as price alert. CoinMarketCap also applies in that way. Now, one thing that most people don't know yet about them is you can also use them to monitor your tokens, to monitor the price of your token. Let's say you have a wallet and then you don't want to be checking the wallet every single day. You just want a single application that you can go in, check for the tokens, and check also the price your portfolio. You can just copy your address from your wallet to your CoinGecko, and then you're able to monitor every single token on your wallet. Okay, so CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, they are number 1. Then number 2 is the Trust Wallet. Now, how can you say you're in crypto without holding any cryptocurrency? So if you are in crypto and you don't hold any cryptocurrency, then you're not in crypto. So Trust Wallet is, I would say, the most generalized wallet that everyone should have. This is where you can hold any cryptocurrency on any chain. So any chain that is not yet on Trust Wallet, it's just a matter of time before they get them added. Now, other wallets like MetaMask and Phantom Wallet were not supporting some categories of cryptos, but Trust Wallet has always supported every token that you always want to own, every crypto that you might want to own. So Trust Wallet is number 2 crypto application. Then number 3 crypto apps that beginners should know in Africa is bybit. Yeah, bybit is an exchange. Remember, I've mentioned 2 things right now. The first one was a research tool, but the second one is a wallet where you should hold your crypto. The third thing now is an exchange. Bybit is an exchange where you can move money from your bank account into crypto and move money out of crypto into your bank account, and also where you can trade crypto. So Bybit is where you do all your moving money in and out of crypto. So even if you want to put a coin on your wallet, you need to go through an exchange, and that's Bybit. So everyone should know Bybit. Now, the 4th on my list is X, formerly known as Twitter. Now, X may not necessarily be a crypto app, but it's a very important. I'll call it a crypto social media. This is a place where you get your first information about any crypto, any project you're following. Let's say you bought a coin, you bought Bitcoin or something, and then you need to get information about that particular token. It's on their X handle that you get those information from. Those are the number 1 places that they put out information about what is happening in the market or what is happening with them, and that's where you can also network with other people, and then you get information about any token or any coin. Now, the number 5 best crypto applications that everyone needs to know is Explorer. Let's say I'll call it Etherscan. That may not necessarily be an app, but it's a website. Etherscan or BSC scans, they fall within the category of an explorer. Now, from the perspective of someone who have recovered crypto for a lot of person and someone who recover crypto for some people, so I believe this is a very important application that everyone should know, because that's where you get to research about any wallet or on-chain research. That's where you carry on your on-chain research. So on-chain research, or if anything you want to find out anything about the wallet or your token is missing on the wallet, it's an explorer that you use. So this explorer, they are different depending on the chain that you want to check the crypto on. We have Etherscan, we have BSC Etherscan for Ethereum chain, BSC scan for Binance Smart Chain, and then we have BitChair for Bitcoin, or blockchain.com also for Bitcoin. So most of this explorer work for different chains. Like if you're using BitChair, you can BitChair or blockchain.com, you can research XRP, you can research Stellar, you can research Bitcoin, same on the same explorer. So now for Etherscan, you can also check out the token on BSC scan. In fact, Etherscan will tell you if you're using an EVM address. Etherscan will tell you if there are coins on other chain on that particular address. So it's an important. Then a bonus point right here is Dex Screener. Dex Screener is a place where it's for diligent traders or for anyone you want to find out about any token that is just being launched, and if the token has liquidity or not is on Dex Screener, that you find out some intrinsic details like that. So let me know if you actually love this video. Watch the next video for you to learn more about crypto. Subscribe or follow. Peace.